Hello, welcome back to the Agile Samurai Bootcamp. I'm your host, Jonathan Rasmussen. In this section on iteration mechanics, here we start taking our plans and turning all those good intentions into something our customers can use, working software. In this section, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how Agile projects actually get things done through the power of the iteration. After that, we're going to go into creating a communication plan. You'll see how typical Agile iterations work and how the various meetings and sync points are set up to get all the moving pieces moving together. And finally, in the section on the visual workspace, you'll find out how to take a few simple changes and apply them to your workspace, and that will enable you to get even greater clarity and focus on what value you're bringing to your customers. All right, let's begin. So we have the plan. We know why we're here. We're ready to execute. Now what? How do we take an index card with a few words scribbled onto it and turn that into production-ready working software? Well, first, we know we're not going to have time to write everything down. So whatever we're going to do, we need a way of doing analysis that's light, that is accurate, and gives us exactly what we need when we need it. Secondly, our development practices are going to need to be rock solid. We won't have time to go back and continuously fix buggy code. It has to work coming out of the gate. That means well-designed, well-tested, completely integrated code as we go. Third, our testing strategy is going to have to be in lockstep with development. We can't afford to wait until the end of the project to see whether everything works. We're going to have to maintain the health and integrity of our system from day one in the project. But if we could do all three of these things, we may just have a chance to produce something of value every week. And one great disciplined way to do that is to make use of the Agile iteration.